Hi guys, when I was looking back at my videos, I realized I never showed you guys which budgies I got from the store. I mean, in the video I said which ones I liked, but I didn't show you which ones I got, and their rings are clipped right now, so that's why they look like that. I just clipped in today, and sorry if I sound down, it's just, with Bandit passing away and everything. He was my mom's bird, but I still played with him and stuff. At first, he was mine, and then I gave him to my mom because she would spend all day with him and play with him and stuff, and he didn't really like me that much, and he just preferred her over me, and they really got attached to one another, so I gave him to her, and when he passed, she was really upset. I am too, but life goes on. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you the names before they fly away. Tell you the names. So the first one right there is Hope, and then the middle one right there is Grace, and then the third one over there, right there, right there, is Pearl. That's Pearl, and they're probably all guys because they're like by their nostrils part or whatever is turning blue, and that means they're male. So yeah, when they were younger it was just like tan, but then it started turning like blue or something. Like, okay, Pearl, his was always blue, but the other two was tan, and then theirs turned that color. So yeah, so they're just babies, and they're not the nicest birds ever, but hopefully I can like go find a video and a taming video, and hopefully it will be useful. But yeah, I really need to know how to tame them because they're my first parakeets ever. Budgies, parakeets, whatever. And their cage is messy right now, so yeah, they live in this cage. But one day hopefully they'll get a bigger one. Right here, I'll just get like a quick overview. There's their toy, the mirror of the perches, Cuddlebone and Mineral Chew, their food bowl, and a ladder right here, and then the water bowl right there. I don't want to show it because I need to clean the poop off of it. Because they come sit right here and they poop on it, and it's right under the perches. I might move the perches because they keep pooping on it. So yeah, I doubt anyone wants to see parakeet poop. So yeah, I'm not gonna show it. And they're all huddled in the corner because they're scared. So, and usually I have this blanket over them, but not today. Here we are. There's Hope, Pearl, and then Grace. And I find those two are the ones that like play with, like always clean each other. See, they're doing that. They kind of leave Hope out of it, but yeah. They don't really play with Hope, and Hope doesn't really play with them. I don't know why. But they're always cleaning each other and hanging out and stuff. And doing that weird beak thing or whatever. Are they like feeding each other? What are they doing? Someone tell me what they're doing just now. What the heck are you doing? I mean, I know about budgies, but I don't know a lot, so. What the heck? Yeah, so those two are close, like, close to each other, and they kind of leave Hope out of it. But Hope doesn't really like to play with them, even if they try to play with her, or him. They're making a funny noise, too. What are they doing? What are they doing? Are they, like, feeding each other? I don't get it. Like, you can kind of see their beaks. I mean, the nostrils above their beak is turning blue, so that's why they're probably males. What the heck? Why are you biting his foot? What the heck? What are you doing?